Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut Plus account, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of setting up and using this account. First, let's start with what Revolut Plus is. Revolut Plus is a premium account offered by Revolut, a digital banking platform that provides users with a range of features and benefits. To get started, you will need to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. Once you have signed up, you can upgrade to Revolut Plus by going to the account section of the app and selecting the upgrade option. You will then be asked to provide some additional information and pay the monthly fee. Now that you have upgraded to Revolut Plus, let's take a look at the features and benefits that come with this account. One of the key benefits is purchase protection, which provides you with a refund if something goes wrong with a purchase. You will also get extended warranties on purchases, travel insurance, and access to a dedicated customer support team. To get the most out of your Revolut Plus account, it's a good idea to set up your account settings and preferences. This includes setting up your payment cards, adding money to your account, and setting up your security settings. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to keep your account information up to date and to regularly review your account activity. You should also make sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Overall, Revolut Plus is a great option for anyone looking for a premium digital banking experience. With its range of features and benefits, it provides users with a high level of convenience, security, and support. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and start using your Revolut Plus account today.